Hi everyone, Nathan here. Super Rugby is booming, so does the house prices in Christchurch, and thought I'll just change location to do my May's monthly newsletter update. I hope everyone is doing well, I hope everyone is okay. Just want to share some thoughts around interest rates. As you know, after 4 or 5 years, the rates they've slowly started to go up, especially 3, 4, 5 year rate. 1 and 2 year rate is still staying low, and the 1 year rate it has actually dropped from 2.29 to 2.25 as long as you have 20% deposit or 20% equity in the property. So if you're receiving our reminders in regards to your interest rate renewal and you just don't know what to do, look, more than happy to help you. Just get in touch and we're happy to give you some advice around that. Property investment is cooling down a little bit after a record October, November, December 2020 and an absolute cracker Jan, Feb and March. I think March in our office we've done around 55 settlements. We've never done that sort of numbers before. But the heat is coming off. So for first time buyers, they were struggling to go to auction, struggling to buy properties because they were just competing with first time property investors. And now Reserve Bank, they've changed the rules, and now if you're thinking of buying an existing home as a rental property, you need 40% deposit or equity. So everyone can see the heat is coming off. The properties that are selling in auctions now, if they would have sold in January and February, a few properties I've come across could have got 50, 70k more than what they're selling now. So if you know someone or friends, family, they're looking at buying a first home, feel free to just forward this newsletter, because we've helped a lot of numbers of first-time buyers with as little as 5% deposit. There's still a couple of banks out there, they're doing loans with as little as 5% if you meet the terms and conditions. But 10% is the general rule of thumb. 20% is awesome because you get lower interest rate, cash contribution and all the bells and whistles. So that's it for the first-time buyers. Property and development is on a boom. I've helped a number of my own existing clients plus the new clients doing so many multi-unit developments, demolishing a property, putting 4, 6 townhouses, doing a subdivision in Holswell, doing a subdivision in Timaru at the moment. Just plenty of development stuff which we never used to do before. And funny enough, I've started loving the development finance because it's just working with builders, developers. I really enjoy because it's quite complex finance. You just don't know where to start. You're dealing with council, you're dealing with finance people, you're dealing with valuers, you're dealing with builders. There's just lots to do when you think of doing a development. So if you know someone or if you're thinking of maybe demolishing a property and putting a few townhouses, subdividing your piece of land, get in touch. I've done plenty of those and should be able to help. And lastly, just a bit of a team update. Cherry is fully on board, Sam Wilson, she's on board, and Scott Carragher is starting next month, and that's just going to help us strengthen our team so our commitment to our existing clients remains strong, that we're here to help you, we're here to achieve anything you want to do. So that's it for me for May. I look forward to catching up with you in June. Thanks guys.